How to make money fast. Selling goods and services. 1. Take items that you want to sell to a pawn shop. Your local pawn shop may pay you a decent price for high-value items, such as electronics, musical instruments, or jewelry. Take your items to the pawn shop and see what they are willing to give you for them. This is one way to make money without any money in hand. Pawn shops resell your items to make money, so they may not give you as much as they are actually worth. 2. Trade in items for cash at secondhand stores. Some secondhand stores will also buy items, such as used clothing, CDs, DVDs, records, or books. Take some valuable items that are in good condition and see what you can get for them. These stores make money by reselling your items, so you might not get as much as they are actually worth. 3. Have a yard sale to sell things you no longer need. Choose a day or a couple of days to have your yard sale. Advertise it in your local paper and online, such as on social media and classified websites. Then, on the day of the sale, arrange the items on tables, blankets, shelves, or in other ways in front of your home. You can arrange the items into groups by price, or price them individually. Try to put out as many valuable, high-demand items as you are willing to let go. Good items to sell include CDs, DVDs, books, musical instruments, collectible toys, electronic equipment, computers, tablets, televisions, speakers, etc., smartphones, video games, jewelry, clothing, shoes, and unused gift cards. Make sure your items are in decent condition. People look for bargains, but they don't want somebody else's dirty, dusty stuff. Set reasonable prices. People expect things to be cheap at garage sales. While $2-3 are the average price for old books, toys, and souvenirs, $25-50 are fair for electronics or jewelry. 4. Sell unwanted items using a commercial website. Some sites charge a small fee or take a percentage of the sales price, but the exposure is often worth this cost. Sell any items that you have around that are in good or new condition. Try using eBay or a similar website if you want to sell something auction style. This may help you to get the most money for your item if it is rare or valuable. Online retail sites like Amazon or abooks.com will sometimes pay for popular items like books, DVDs, electronics, and smartphones. These sites may charge a small fee or percentage of your profit. 5. Set up a lemonade stand. If you have enough money to buy some lemonade mix, a pitcher, and cups, then you can start a lemonade stand. Use a sturdy box or crate to set your items on, and make a sign with your price per cup on it. Make sure to use clean drinking water to make your lemonade, and add ice to it if possible. Lemonade stands work best on a hot summer day. Set up your stand in your front yard and wait for customers to stop by. Make sure to ask permission from your parent or guardian before you set up a lemonade stand. 6. Offer to do yard work in your neighborhood. You can also make money doing yard work, such as mowing lawns, aerating lawns, weeding, or raking up leaves. Make flyers advertising your services and post them around your neighborhood, or go door to door offering your services. Set a fair price for your services and do good work for anyone willing to pay you. Check to see what other people charge and set your rate a few dollars lower than that so to entice people to hire you. 7. Rent out a room in your home to travelers. If you live in a city or a popular vacation spot, people passing through may be looking for a place to stay. Even if you don't live somewhere with a lot of traffic, you can still use a rental website to find people who are willing to pay to stay in your home. Check to see what other people charge to help you price your rental. For example, if a similar sized room in your area goes for $80 per night, then charge this amount for your room.